Here it is from the inside. And so now we just got to get the inner plate in place. I almost forgot. Before I can put the plate on the inside, this plate needs to go right here. And that keeps that from popping out while I'm screwing everything together. Here's the inside plate that goes on. We're just going to plug in those wires. That allows power to come from the battery compartment, which is right here, to the lock. You can hear it firing up. I'm going to tuck this out of the way. That's going to go on there, and then 4 screws holds it in place. Tightened everything down, and our new latch is in and working. So not only can we control this manually inside, of course we've got the keypad on the outside, but one nice thing, if you're sitting in bed and you can't remember whether you've locked it or not, this thing's got Bluetooth. Just from the app on your phone, you can unlock and lock the door. So all installed and working well. It was a little tricky getting the backing plate to line up with everything, but now that we've got it on, we can just pull the handle, close when you're ready to lock. That's it. Hopefully that'll be a great upgrade for us.